Hello, so today we are making, what are we making?
Elephant craft.
Elephant craft. Yay! So what do we need? We need to have an old milk bottle, and this is the main template that we're using. We need to have PVC glue, PVA glue. Mine is PVA. Is there a difference? Anyway, we need to have glue, and I hope it's the same thing. We also need to have jumbo glue, this sticky glue, and we have goggly eyes, also some eyes, and we need colors. So we have this felt sheet, but because I don't have a lot left, I'll be using some plain paper. We'll also color some plain paper and stick it on the elephant when we are done. And also, what else? Yeah, I think that's all we need for now. Let's start. Let's just see what we can do. Are you ready? Yes, that's my girl. Draw a line across the bottle from where you're going to make the cut.
He just comes.
This is softer than I imagined.
It's coming.
Yeah.
It's coming. It's going to crash.
Yeah.
And the elephant.
Look. Ooh, this is looking good.
No, wait.
And then the next thing, I believe, we need to make the legs. Can you see? So we'll be cutting this off. Yeah, for the at the back also.
So this is one.
And yeah.
I just see. Let's paint it.
Because I was really thinking the bottle was going to be difficult to cut, but no, it's not.
Mommy,
Yes, love.
let's paint.
Yeah, we're gonna paint. Oh yeah. So we're painting. I forgot. So Dala, I'm going to cut up this so that you can paint for me. You need to paint it well, okay? So I'll just give her some paper to be painting. You can use anyone. You can just do like this.
I want the brush.
You want the brush?
Okay.
Okay. So you can either use a brush or you can just use, just keep them with the crayons, felt pens, anything for your toddlers to just get busy while you do the cutting. So make sure they are doing something. So, okay, let me help. What color do you want, Della?
Green.
We should use green. I hope it's not dry.
Okay. Let's put the green. Let's put so much.
This will be good as it is. Okay, so we got one more leg to cut.
Oops.
You okay? Don't worry, just keep coloring. We're not wearing an apron, but if you have an apron for a toddler, please wear an apron.
Okay. I'm going to stay on my dress.
No, we don't
Can
want
I
to.
have an apron?
Okay, I'll go and get your apron.
Okay.
I hope I know where it is though.
It's on the kitchen.
It's in the kitchen. So I just mixed the glue with a little bit of black paint, so it's looking great. And I'm going to paint the Elmo elephant. Then are you gonna help mommy?
Yes.
So let's paint all over, paint all over. Let's paint all over now. Let's color all over. Let's color all over. Let's color. You can use any color you want, really, but
okay.
I chose this gray because most elephants look like gray. Let's color all over. Color all over now. So I'm trying to make a tail here with one of the felt papers. I'll just cut a little bit. Yes.
Aww.
So this is not the nicest paint job, but we are going to put some papers on it and cover up the color. Anyway, I'll just wait for it to dry a bit before I put the tail. And the parts that we cut off, I think we can use them as ears. You can put them right now to make the ears. Now I attached both ears and it looks like an elephant now. Yay! Now it's time to put both eyes also.
Mommy, we're not done yet.
No, we're not.
We just make the crab elephant around. Where's the milk? Where's the milk? There's no milk. You put some eyes.
Okay, Dala, are you going to help mommy stick this? So we're going to stick it on the elephant, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's put it on the elephant. Yeah, good job.
My turn.
Can you put it out on the leg? Good. We are so colorful, 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 colorful.
We're not done yet.
We're not done yet. No. Okay. So we can see if this will attach as a tail. Ah. Today's another craft day and we're going to be making another elephant. So we're using this, an old paper roll, tissue roll, an old pizza box. So let's start. Now this second craft attempt is for those that don't have milk bottles. If you don't have any milk bottle in the house, you can use this method. So the first thing you do is to cut out a part of the tissue roll, the tissue holder roll, and then the next thing I did was to cut out the trunk of the elephant, the part I'll put on the as the nose, as the trunk. And after that, I cut out the elephant ears. So before I did that, I just drew the shape I wanted to get and then I cut it out. So that's pretty much it. It's very easy. And then you put your eyes. If you don't have goggly eyes at home, you can just draw the eyes with your hands. And then you can also paint the toes if you want. In my case, I just gave it to my daughter to keep painting it. And she had so much fun just doing that. If you got to this point, I would like to say thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So that's Emily Elephant and Emilio Elephant. Bye.